Hey Yuri, how's it going, man? Hope you're doing good. Just want to check out this home that we were talking about on Parkwood. This is the one on Allen Park. Want to give you a quick tour and also tell you about one thing that I noticed on Zillow. It says it's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's actually 4 bedrooms, 1688 square feet. But one thing again, man, I just got to comment on the landscaping is on point. You've got some prickly pear cacti, purple hearts. We've got a nice hedge here in the entrance, some crepe myrtles there. And coming in here, you have stone pathway to the entrance, and the exterior is stone and siding. Just looks super classic, super tasteful. And this home, man, it's stunning. It is stunning. So we've got the entrance, we've got the kitchen right away to the left. It is looking good, man. It's cozy. It's got that cozy vibe. Nice. You notice on the window frames, we've got these kind of classic little colonial style frames. I've noticed that before, and I really like that. It's a nice touch. We've got a cool little kind of bar situation there. Those lights didn't turn on, unfortunately. But yeah, so right off the entrance, you've got the stairs to the right, and it's a short set of stairs. We've got the living room with a fireplace. We've got an extra bedroom here, and the other bedroom downstairs right here. And so this one was built in 1986. So cool thing, so this would be the primary here. You've got a nice sliding door to the patio outside, to the backyard. Super cool. It's got the pitched ceilings. The floor is a little interesting. The edges kind of remind me of landscaping. Like you typically do rocks on the edges against the fence. It looks like they went with vinyl for the center and tile on the edges, floor wise, which it's interesting. It doesn't look bad, but it's interesting. We've got a sink right there with a little vanity space. Then we've got the toilet to the right, so there's no door. It's just kind of got a little nook there. Tub and shower combo. And the closet is pretty spacious. Closet is pretty big. And there's no carpet throughout the first floor. Not even in the closet. So this area does fall in Northside ISD. Pretty cool. It's got some pretty good schools. And this property is in an HOA. I think it's about 250 to 224 a year. That's the view there. Super cool. And it does have a 2-car garage. And then before going upstairs, I want to show you the backyard. It's nice. That's actually a Monterey oak tree right there. Very disease resistant. Doesn't get oak wilt like live oak trees. And you've got a pretty big side yard too. It's pretty cool. Siding, for being from 1986, siding is in great condition. Super great condition. I've seen homes even from 2000, 1990, 6 to 2000, where the siding, you can tell that it starts to rot. And you can tell when they only paint over it to hide that the siding is rotting, but this one is just in really good condition. One thing that's probably helped are the gutters. Oh, looks like the rain's about to come down. Hope you've been enjoying the rainy day, rainy week. Yeah, this is amazing. You've got some black diamond crepe myrtles. Those are the crepe myrtles that have the kind of black or dark leaves. Got this little walkway to the back. Little area here. Yeah, this is at least almost a fifth, if not a quarter of an acre. I gotta double check. Oh, and right here, this is actually a Texas mountain laurel. So you've got a super beautiful, decent sized Texas mountain laurel. That looks like some sort of a well, almost, but I know it's not a well, but that looks really cool. Yeah, this backyard is a winner. It's got a shed, super cool. A little swing here. There is mulch basically throughout the whole backyard though. It's another crepe myrtle right there. And this is a little kind of covered area with a swing. Huge tree right there. And you've got another little bit of side yard on this side too. So everything looks great, man. And again, you can go back into the primary bedroom through the sliding doors there, or living room. Like I said, oh, short set of stairs. This one's 2 bedrooms upstairs. This one's got a nice little nook there. Decent sized closet. And this one gets a little more shade on this side of the house. This one's a little darker. Still a really spacious room. Crown molding all throughout the rooms here. So yeah, Yuri, let me know what you think. It's a beautiful home. It's cozy, really well taken care of. And the entrance, it's crazy. All right, man. We'll talk soon.